Hi everybody, it's me Sissy, and today I have some DIY Christmas ornaments for you, and we're going to take these cute little gnomes from Dollar Tree and kind of spruce them up and make them match my Christmas colors. So y'all stay tuned. For the first DIY, I'm going to show you how I made this cool garland. Okay, and this is just made from table scatter. The pink and white, the pink and silver and the blue, that came from Dollar Tree. It's in the baby shower section. It's just baby shower vase filler. The other was some vase filler, that the bright colors that I got from Hobby Lobby. So I have made a humongous string of garland, and it's really simple. I'm going to show you how I did it. And I have just loads of table filler left over, so I'm going to use this in some other DIYs. But I just took some yarn and a big-eyed needle that I could get the twine through, or yarn, or embroidery floss, whatever you wanted to use. Oops. You're just going to thread your twine through your needle. And then I got these little white pony beads I'm going to use as separators. You can put one of these and one bead, or one of these and two beads, or whatever pattern you want to use. I did mine with one bead, one plastic bead, and then I would just randomly pick some of the vase filler and thread it through. And I alternated size and colors. And then I would put another bead. And then I just kept doing that. And I just sat on the couch watching YouTube videos and doing this till I got it as long as I thought I might need it. And I didn't really check on a pattern or anything, but I just kind of just put my hand in and pulled some out. I did try to do like two big ones, two small ones. You know, not so I didn't have one section that was nothing but small ones. And anyway, I just did that all the way. I just kept pushing it down, and got it as long as I needed for my tree. So that was really quick and easy, and is a lot cheaper than buying a big string of garland, because that stuff can get really, really pricey. And you can do it in exactly the colors you want on your tree. So, and at Dollar Tree, I did see the other day, they have some cute vase filler that was Christmas trees and stars and things, and that would be cute dispersed throughout your garland. So, but you can put anything on there you like. You could tie rags on it, strips of ribbon. You can just make it completely personalized, and you'll have the only one like it. So that's what I like. Now we're going to work on these little gnomes, which are gorgeous just like they are. You don't really, need to do anything to them, but I want to kind of make them match my colors a little more. They are very gray at the moment. So first thing I did, I moved all the tags, and I'm going to cut these tags off the side. And we're just going to spruce it up just a little bit. And I have this cute, this is called Southwest llama ribbon. So, and this just matched my color so well. I got all that I could find at Dollar Tree. And there's 9 feet on here. And we're just going to take it, and we're going to give this little gnome some pizzazz. We're just going to add a little border to his hat and give him a new little pom-pom on his hat also. And we may put some bling wrap on there. We may just go crazy. Okay, and I said that I was going to put a pom-pom on there, but I think that I'm going to use some of this vase filler. It's bright and glittery, and we're just going to use that for a pom-pom on the end of his hat. And we're just going to do it with hot glue. And this is my Movic glue gun that a nice company sent me. I put a link to it. I'm really loving this glue gun. It's not cordless, but it does, you can unplug it and use it cord free for about 5-10 minutes. And it has a nice weighted base on it, so it'll sit up by itself. You don't have to worry about it tipping over. So we're going to put that to good use today. And to do the pom-pom, I'm just going to put a bead of glue right on the end of his little hat. And then we're just going to hold that little pom-pom on there till it adheres. I always say till the glue dries, but someone told me that was technically wrong, that it's actually the glue hardens. But anyway, till the thing sticks on here, that's what we're going to do. So there we go. Got one. Now we'll do the other one. I got to decide, do I want to do, I'll do the same color so they'll kind of match. So we're just going to put the drop of glue, press the bead on and hold it for a second. Okay, and then I've got some bling wrap, and we may just, hey pup-pups, what's up? What you barking at, babies? It's okay. Now we're just gonna take some of this Southwestern llama ribbon, and we are going to glue it to the edge of his hat, and we're going to start in the back. We're going to okay, now we could just leave him like that, but I think we're going to just kind of bling him up and make him have a little glitzy, glamorous Christmas. Gnome. And I think I'm just going to bend his hat down a little bit and put a little dab of glue there. Keep it bent over. Just hold that for a second. And you know what? Let's just go crazy. I think that my little Gnome deserves some blinged out feet. So we're just going to give him some blinged out feet here. Okay, for this next DIY, I'm going to use this glitter paper. I got this at Michael's. You can use regular cardstock, scrapbook paper, anything like that. They do have some glitter paper at Dollar Tree sometimes. You could use that. But all we're going to do is form this into a cone. And to do that, we're just going to take the corners, just find the center here, and then we're just going to fold them over. and just twist them in until we form a tall cone. Okay, then we're just going to glue that down. Hold that till it hardens. And then we want to cut to the bottom of it so this stands up straight. And I just like to use like a little terracotta pot or any kind of container that has sort of a slanted shape to it, and I just drop it down in there and even it up, and then I'm just going to take my scissors and cut along. And here, this is just a guide. Then we're just going to set it on the table and see if it is even. So I think my tree is leaning a little, so we're going to trim off this side over here a little bit. Until you get it setting straight. Okay, that's pretty good. I'm going to zoom you out just a little bit. Okay, so then we have our cone. And then we're going to glue some of this scatter on here. And you can do any kind of pattern you want. It's completely up to you. Okay, so y'all can see that not everything goes to plan. This is one I had started and I didn't like how it was looking, so I kind of scrapped it and started a different one and tried to use some kind of pattern. But I mean, it's not perfect, and you'll have gaps in it, and that's why it's good to have the glitter paper underneath. But anyway, that's my little Christmas tree. And then I have my sweet little gnomes to go on each side. And don't forget my garland. So, whew, that's it, y'all. That's 3 quick. Well, not quick. Some of them are a little time consuming. This one does take a little time, but I just love how it looks. And all this was the leftover from where I made my garland, just glued onto the cone. And then I have my cute little snowmen that we kind of blinged up a little bit. So anyway, that's my DIYs for today. Hopefully I'll have another video coming up with 3 more Christmas decorations, and then I'm gonna show y'all while I decorate my tree and use these decorations. So y'all stay tuned. Remember, if Sissy can do it, y'all can do it too. So get out there and have fun, and happy holidays, everybody. Be safe. Bye bye.